Hey, David here from Brilliant Directories. One of the simplest ways to make a membership more valuable is to give members access to something they can't get anywhere else. With Brilliant Directories, you can take content on your website and make it exclusive to your members in just a few clicks. That could be training materials, industry reports, downloadable resources, private guides, premium articles, or just about anything else you want to reserve for members. Here's a regular web page that anyone can access right now. It's totally public. Let's say we want to turn this into a members only resource. We'll hop into the admin area, and in the web page builder, we can restrict access and choose which membership levels are allowed to view the page, or we can select members who have purchased one of our digital products. So in this case, we will select only allow members, and we'll select members of membership plan 1. We'll save these changes. And if we hop back over to the web page and we refresh, we can see that we get the message that this content is now only for members. So we'll click to log in, and we'll log in as one of the members who's registered within membership plan 1. And as soon as we're logged in, we get access to the web page that we were previously locked out of. And that's it. A regular web page just became an exclusive membership benefit. There are a lot of ways to put this to work. An association could create a private resource center exclusively for members, or you could reserve your most valuable content for a premium membership level, giving other members another reason to upgrade. And because you control who gets access, you can decide what stays public to attract new visitors and what you reserve for the people who join. It's a simple feature, but it can make a meaningful difference in how valuable your membership feels. Give people something worth logging in for, and you give them another reason to join, engage, and stay subscribed. If you're ready to build your own membership or directory website, start a free trial website today at brilliantdirectories.com/trial and see just how easy it is to bring your idea to life. Take care.